Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale, allowing your body to settle into a state of ease. Shift your attention to your breath. Feel the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. Let your breath become a steady, calming rhythm that guides you deeper into relaxation. Set a personal intention for this meditation. It might be, I am relaxed and at peace, or I am connected and aware. Hold this intention gently as you continue. Begin by focusing your attention on the top of your head. Feel a gentle warmth and relaxation spread across your scalp. Allow this sensation to flow down to your forehead, releasing any tension you may be holding there. Move your awareness to your eyes. Feel them soften and relax, letting go of any strain. Notice the relaxation moving down to your cheeks and jaw, unclenching and releasing any tightness. Shift your focus to your neck and shoulders. With each breath, feel the muscles in your neck and shoulders soften and relax. Imagine any stress or tension melting away, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. Bring your attention to your arms. Starting at your shoulders, feel the relaxation move down through your upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, and finally to your hands and fingers. Let your arms feel heavy and completely relaxed. focus on your chest and upper back. With each inhale, imagine your lungs filling with warm, soothing air. As you exhale, feel any tension in your chest and upper back dissolve, leaving a sense of openness and calm. Move your awareness to your abdomen. Notice the rise and fall of your breath in this area. Allow your stomach to relax completely, releasing any tightness or discomfort. Shift your focus to your lower back and hips. Imagine a wave of relaxation flowing through these areas, easing any stiffness or pain. Feel your lower back and hips sinking deeper into relaxation with each breath. Bring your attention to your legs. Starting at your hips, feel the relaxation move down through your thighs, knees, calves, ankles, and finally to your feet and toes. Allow your legs to feel heavy and completely at ease. Now, take a moment to scan your entire body from head to toe. Notice any areas that may still hold tension, and with each breath, invite relaxation into those areas. Feel your whole body enveloped in a sense of calm and tranquility. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding your entire body, filling you with peace and relaxation. This light nurtures and protects you, enhancing your sense of well-being. take a few more deep breaths, absorbing this nurturing energy. Gradually, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch if it feels good, and open your eyes when you are ready. Carry this sense of relaxation and peace with you into your day.